Welcome to ChatGenie. In this tutorial video, we'll guide you through the process of updating order statuses using the import feature. Let's dive right in. First, download the file provided in the description box. You can use this as the format for uploading new products. Please note that the headers should be the same as those in the file. Next, update the file. Input the required details per order status. Essential reminders for updating order statuses. The transaction number is always required. You can find this in the Order Tracker Manager in the dashboard. Next, the status is always required. Only the following status are accepted: for delivery, completed, and canceled. The ship-out date is required if the status is for delivery. The format should be day, month, and year. The estimated arrival date is required as well if the status is for delivery. The format should be day, month, and year. Lastly, the cancellation message is required if the status is cancelled. Once done, you can now upload the CSV file. On your dashboard, go to Orders tab. Click Order Tracker. Import the file by clicking the Batch Update via CSV button. Congratulations on successfully updating order status via import. With this, you can efficiently manage orders, ensuring a seamless experience for both you and your customers. We invite you to explore our website regularly and follow us at chatgenie.ph for the most recent updates and discussions.